excited to meet you at my channel, my friend. Today, I'm excited to present to you 4 websites that you can use to make a little bit of extra income by just reading some emails. Okay, my name is Leonard Manzi, and before I give you the details of the 4 websites, right, let me remind you that my channel is all about making money on the internet. I make videos that show people how to make money leveraging the power of the internet. And if it is your desire to learn more about how you can use the internet to make money, then my friend, you are the correct person. You are watching the correct channel at the right time. So click that subscribe button and that notification bell so that you don't miss any broadcast from this channel. All right. Without any further ado, my friend, let me take you straight to our first website. Right, our first website is called inboxpays.com. Earn extra cash, earn up to $50 per offer, paid to read emails, instant cash offers, and more and more. This is how it works. Register for free and we'll pay you $5 for just signing up. Complete trial offers, read emails, and play online games. Redeem your cash and receive your funds quickly. Cash mails, paid to click. Daily mails sent to your inbox where you can earn cash just for opening and reading. Okay, right, then you get some offers. Complete simple market research offers for cash and rewards. Okay, and these are the other ways you can get some more money. All right, so obviously this is not going to make you rich, my friend, but it's a good way of testing the waters on the internet as you learn how to make money using the power of the internet. Right, stick with me because I'm going to show you at the end. I'm going to show you a way that you can use to earn at least $1,000 consistently coming into your PayPal account or into your bank account. All right. Our next website is called Unique Paid. Free sign up, free offers, free money, online rewards program. All right. So do you want to earn tremendous amounts of money just for signing up for free offers? It's free to sign up. Once registered at uniquepaid.com, you'll be able to earn money every day by visiting us and taking part in new offers. All right. Uniquepaid.com is an international program. So you can do this from anywhere under the sun. Members are available worldwide. We pay to all members to all countries. We pay you real money for signing up for free offers, right? For reading emails, right? Right? You're going to be paid. One of the ways you're going to be paid is just for reading emails on this website. Just like the other website, right? You are paid just for reading emails. Okay. You can get some more right here. Lowest ever minimum payment amount to get paid by is $5, right? There are no minimum payments right here, okay? If you make a cent, you will be paid that cent. If you make $500, you will be paid that $500, okay? Right, you get 10% plus cash bonus for each offer completed during the first 2 days after registration. All right, so you can get some more information right here and you can see some notices of payments on this corner. Right, so our next website is called Clicks Genie. Right, get paid to read emails. Like I said, my friend, I'll show you four websites that are going to give you easy PayPal money for just reading some emails. Right, if you allow 1,000 emails to come into your inbox, you'll be paid $50, okay? Make up to 4 cents for every email. If you read 1,000 emails in 2 days or in a day, you are going to get $42, right? So if you read 2,000 emails per week, you've got almost $100, right? You can do the math right here. Okay, friendly interface, secure. Clicks Genie is safe and secure to use. Right? Multiple earning options. You earn money from reading emails at your own pace. You earn money even more by inviting your friends. All right, so your payments are instant every time. Fantastic. Our fourth website is called Send Earnings. Be rewarded for watching videos, taking surveys, shopping, and cash offers, right? As you sign up right here, you are going to get $5 straight away for free by just signing up, right? Brands pay us for consumer input. We recruit members like you. You do online activities such as taking surveys, watching videos, shopping, and more. Then you earn real cash, as seen on, right, ABC News, Good Morning America, right, Today, Yahoo Finance. Over $9 million has been paid to members already, okay, right? Send Earnings has partnered with some of the most trusted brands in retail, like Walmart, Target, all right? So you just come in here, put in your details, and then straight away you get your $5 into your PayPal account. These are the 4 websites I promised you that you can use to make some side income. 3 of them are going to pay you for reading some emails, and there are other activities anyway on those websites that you can maximize in making some side cash. All right, so but you can, as you can see, my friend, it's a fantastic way of testing the waters, just as you learn how to leverage the power of the internet to make money, right? And you're doing it from home. You're not traveling to any place. You are just doing it on your phone, on your laptop, on your mobile device, right? That's fantastic. If you can make $50 extra per week or even per month, right? That is fantastic earnings, because you wouldn't pick that $50 from the street. All right, so, but my friend, all what I've just described to you, what I've just shown you right here is called active income. You have to be actively involved, right, in opening the emails, and then you read them, you take another one, you open another one, you do the offers, you watch the videos, you do the activities that are described in these websites, and right, and get some money. But the moment you stop doing any activities on these websites, that's the minute your income will drop down to 0. It will die, right? But my friend, let me give you some good announcement. The announcement is that you can make some serious amount of money using the internet, my friend, in a passive way, right? You can set up your business on autopilot, and the business starts to work for you 24/7, 365. Whilst you are asleep, whilst you are traveling on vacation, whilst you are spending quality time with your loved ones, with your wife, with your husband, whilst you are doing the more important things of life, right? And my friend, it is possible never to worry again about money, right? And that is through using the power of the internet. Or what you need is just the correct information. You just need the correct link to a person who can show you how, right? So I've got a link in the description below that says my #1 recommendation to make money online on autopilot. Click that link and it will take you to a site where you can be taught, if you want. Right? You'll be taught how to build a business on autopilot, right? You'll be taught how to make your first $100 online, your first $200 online, your 1,000 on autopilot, hands off. If you have found value in this video, let me know in the comments. Otherwise, we'll see you in the next videos. Bye for now.